And here's I'll show you how to cut out your image subject using the lasso tool. So go ahead and select the lasso tool, or you can just press L key on your keyboard to select the lasso tool. Now just go ahead and select your subject just like this. Don't release your finger from the left button on your mouse. So here I've successfully selected. Now I'm just pressing on this mask icon to cut out the selected part. And if you right click on the lasso tool, here you will find Polygonal Lasso Tool as well. So select it, and now let's see how to use the Polygonal Lasso Tool. So that's how you can use the lasso tool, Polygonal Lasso Tool. And now let's see how to use this magnetic lasso tool. Just hover over on the border of your subject, and the magnetic lasso tool will automatically select your subject just like this. Then just click on mask icon, and that's it. This is how we can cut out subject using lasso tool.